You can outgrow what once felt like home. That's really all I want to say. But whatever you sit in right now, wherever you reside, whatever feels comfortable to you, you can outgrow that. A lot of that tends to be, whether we realize it or not, negative environments, limiting beliefs, things that we hold to be true about ourselves that we don't wish to be true about ourselves. But the truth is, there's certain things that's happened to us in our lives that have made us feel like this is our way of living, this is who we are, and this is what we do. But truthfully, the way to get at that is just changing how you think. Choose to believe that you can do better, and where you are right now is not where you have to be forever. It's that simple. It's something that you drill into your mind every single day, and you make yourself believe, and your body finds a way of showing you the signs that this is true. What you tell your mind and what you reinforce on a daily basis, your body, the universe will conspire to make that your reality. Whatever you don't like, you can change, for real. You can change. Like, I don't even need to go on beyond that. But honestly, whoever needs to hear this, I just need to remind you that you are stronger than you think. You are stronger than you think, and I know you think you're strong. I know you've been through things that have made you strong, that have forced you to be strong. But however strong you feel you are right now, trust me, you are much stronger. You can endure much more. You can step up and step out so much further than you even believe and you even think. And that might not be the nicest thing to hear right now, especially if you feel like you're trying hard and you're doing well, but you can do more. And it's not through pushing through and doing this hard work, it's through relaxing, actually. It's through relaxing and letting your nervous system know that, yo, I'm safe. I'm safe. And from that state, it's so easy to do more. So easy to do more. I didn't even do my hair or nothing. I just took my hood off. It was windy and shit outside, man, but just about to get into some studying of some herbs, but I was like, you know what, I gotta get this out. It's only gonna be like 2 minutes. But there we go. You're stronger than you think, and you can outgrow what once felt like home. Believe that. Peace.